Hello everyone. Today I will compare in between AppSheet Database and Google Sheets, which is the best in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Let's begin with Google Sheets. It's simple, flexible, and everywhere. Whether you're tracking expenses, managing a content calendar, or crunching quick formulas, Sheets gives you the freedom to build fast and share instantly. It's intuitive, cloud-based, and loved by teams for its ease of use. But that simplicity can hit a wall. AppSheet Database, Google's structured no-code ready backend. While it may not look like a traditional spreadsheet, it's designed for reliability and scale. With data types, validations, references, and built-in security, AppSheet Database is built for apps and automated systems, not for casual number crunching. Here's the difference. Google Sheets is great when humans are the main users, typing, editing, and reviewing. AppSheet Database is perfect when apps are in control, automations, logic, and workflows that need clean, consistent data behind the scenes. If you need to log survey results in the field, trigger emails, and manage user roles, AppSheet Database is perfect. And if you need to brainstorm ideas with your team or share a quick chart, Google Sheets all the way. In terms of scalability, AppSheet Database handles complex relationships and larger datasets more efficiently. And Google Sheets works fine, until your formula-heavy file starts lagging or breaking under pressure. So which is best in 2025? It depends. For quick collaborative, everyday use, Google Sheets remains undefeated. But if you're serious about app development, structured workflows, and automation, AppSheet Database is your power move.